So here we have a Lenovo IdeaPad 100 series 15-BDIL. It is a laptop with currently a defective motherboard. It has an i3 CPU on there, the i3 5005U. But of course it's defective and I have to do a motherboard replacement, and there is the supported motherboard that I've ordered online, but this thing comes with an i5 5200U, so I will be upgrading it. So let's check it out. I will be doing the replacement, and yeah, we'll check it out later. So there we have it. That motherboard is working beautifully with the Core i5 5200U, 8 gigs of RAM that I've upgraded as well. I put some old Samsung SSD 550 EVO, 250 gigabyte, and yeah, I will be installing Windows 10 on it later. Check it out. Yeah, so I would say successful repair, and yeah, if you would like to order this kind of motherboard, do not be afraid. This laptop used to have a Core i3 based motherboard. It's right here, but this thing is fried. I think that either the CPU is dead, or I don't know, maybe some capacitors that, you know. So instead of like doing a small time job about it, repairing some capacitor, I thought, you know, I might as well upgrade the CPU as well. So if you want to do the same thing, you have nothing to worry about. It's universal. You could put any processor you want on this. Well, within limits, I guess. If you put like an i7 processor, you need to provide a better cooling solution. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This has been the video of this laptop's repair. If I'll have more videos like this in the future, I will post them, of course. It's always fun to repair these laptops. And yeah, take care. Bye.